In a world of tiny waves, a brave pirate is born. When the sea shines with colors, adventure calls louder.
A tiny map leading to a giant secret.
Not every storm is scary. Some storms are fun.
In the deep seas, beauty becomes your guide.
No pirate sails alone. A crew makes the journey epic.
Every treasure has a guardian, and this one has claws. The gateway to pirate legend finally appears.
In pirate life, danger comes from surprising places.
In pirate life, danger comes from surprising places.
Light dances beautifully when legends come alive.
Every color hides a secret and a step closer to treasure.
When the sea tests your courage, hold fast to your ship. Sometimes, rescue comes from the most unexpected magic. At the end of every quest, wonder awaits the brave.
Leadership is not given, it is earned by courage. And the pirate ants continue, where new worlds shined ahead.